Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be partnering with Superbwigs, and today we're going to be doing this blonde bob. You guys went crazy over this on my Instagram. If you don't follow me on Instagram, you need to, so you can see the looks with these wigs. Okay, this is what came in the packaging. It came with an adjustable strap and also a wig cap. Very convenient. I'm showing you the inside of the wig. It already had an adjustable strap inside of the wig cap, so that was very good. Just in case like you needed an extra one or you lost one, they already have one inside of it for you. So this is how the inside of the wig look. It has these combs. I wanted to also show you guys the natural state of the look. When it comes in the box, it's gonna look like this, so you could do any other color you want to do with it. I love the density of this wig, for real, for real. I normally don't like blonde wigs too much, but this wig blew me away. Like, I wore this in New York, I colored it and everything, and it was still beautiful. And it's super thick. That's what I like about it. It's not too thick where it looks like ugly, but it's like a nice density where it's natural, and it's very soft. It does not give me Barbie doll hair whatsoever. Super cute. So I'm just showing you a little bit of how it looked naturally before we go in and color it. So just take this in. And this is the color we're going to be using, the color charm. It's the T35. We're going to use 2 boxes of this just to tone out that yellow color out of the hair, because we want this color to be a nice color. We want it to be beautiful for my skin tone. So we're going in with this T35. It's going to turn the color to a beige blonde. And that's all we want. We want it to be beige all the way through. So we're going to put that all over the hair. It's very self-explanatory. I have this double-sided brush with the comb at the end. So you want to, as you put it, you want to go ahead and comb it out, so it's going to distribute throughout all the hair properly. That's all we're doing right here. I'm going to play some music because you guys can't really see the back over there. But I'm going to play some music because it's very self-explanatory. And I'll be right back when I have more commentary.
You let it hop on, even though her phone. She be paying your bills, buying all of your clothes. And she pay for your phone. You be keeping you on. Shit friends, did you pick up your kids? She be watching your kids. Who gon' fuck around?
You guys, once I applied the toner to the whole wig, I left it on for 20 to 25 minutes. Just keep monitoring it as it changes the color, and you'll know when to rinse it out. So I rinse it out with neutralizing shampoo and purple shampoo. I do not leave the purple shampoo on it too long because I don't want it to be ashy. I want it to be beige. Okay, that's it. So this is the color I'm using at the tips. It's called Copper Brown by Adore. I use the tiniest amount on the tips, and this is how the hair looked when it was done and I rinsed it out. You want to take your time with this because you don't want to bring this color up too much on the hair, because then that's going to change the whole look of this. We just want it to have like a pop of color at the tips of the hair, but you don't want it to go up the blonde, right? You want that blonde to still be standing out and stuff. So this is what I did to get that gradient effect. I just took the leftover color and I kind of just took my comb and brush part and I painted the color onto the hair, so it gave it a nice seamless gradient effect. And if I felt like the tips of it wasn't dark enough, I went back with more and just concentrated the color right on the tips. That's literally all I did. So, and I also recommend that you take your fingers and you kind of smush your fingers and move them up and down right in that area, just to feather out the color a bit. I hope that makes sense. To make the color be nice and gradient, because you don't want it to be thick. Like, you don't want the color to be bold all the way through. You want it to be gradient. As I keep saying, make sure you're doing this step because it's gonna make your wig look crazy. This is how the wig looked when I installed it. I would recommend going in with maybe a darker blonde at the roots, but I felt like it was still cute. The bob was a little bit too long for me, so I wanted it a little bit more asymmetrical, so I did go in and cut it. I'm just showing you the natural length, how it looked on me before I did anything to it, and this is how the color came out too, so you can see what I mean by having it be gradient and not just like a random blunt color. And I kind of just measure it for my collarbone and cut it right there. This is very simple. I just took my time. I make sure you're tilting your head to the side so you can see exactly what you're doing, and that's going to help you a lot. You also want to make sure that you have a sharp pair of scissors, because if you don't, that can ruin your whole cut. Like if your scissors are dull, it can like rip the hair and it's not going to be a seamless cut at all. So you just want to go ahead and order you some fresh pair of scissors before you even do this. And look how beautiful this cut already looks. So this was very simple and easy to do. If you guys tried this look out, make sure you tag me in your pictures and stuff so I can like it and comment on your stuff. I really love when you guys recreate my looks. Like, I just love it so much. Thank you guys so much for supporting me. If you enjoyed this video, do not forget to give it a thumbs up and comment down below. If you want to see more videos from me, please subscribe and turn on your post notifications so you'll be notified every single time I post a video. And the little swoop thing I did, I literally just put the hair behind my ear and I used like a bobby pin to hold it in place. That's how I wore my hair in that picture. So if you guys want to try this style out, feel free to, like, to be honest, feel free to. I love when you guys try it out. Don't forget to check out Superbwigs. Their links will be in my description box below. Also, just so you guys know, I did go ahead and bump the ends of my hair and flat iron it. If you notice, it looked different from before and now. That's what I did. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will definitely see you in my next video. Bye!
You got the whole world in your hands, but you